Hi guys, welcome back to Not Just Mommy Time. So today we're going to be doing a Saturday morning routine with me. And on my Saturday mornings, I like to start by making up my bed right after breakfast.
Summertime, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip in.
So after my bed is made, I also like to go ahead and fold up whatever laundry it is that I have, just to go ahead and get it out of the way. And I usually have my little helper with me. As you guys can see, she's helping me put the clothes away. Well, she's helping me fold the clothes.
So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while.
And this is why it takes me so long to fold clothes. And the more I fold, sometimes the more she unfolds. And Dad is always wondering why there are no clothes folded.
I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat.
Okay, so at this point it is time to put little one down for her nap. And we start by just laying in the bed and talking and cuddling just to kind of wind her down so she'll want to go to sleep. You got night night with Mom? Night night. Where's baby? Baby? Ice? Where's your nose? Ears? Where's your knees? Good job. Where's your teeth? Feet? You know your elbow is yet? Where's your elbow? Where's your elbow? Elbow? Yeah, elbow. Yeah. She just loves to play with my belly, guys. I think it is just the cutest thing in the world. She's acknowledging that it's a little baby in there, so she just loves to rub on my belly and give my belly, just these little cute little raspberry kisses, and I think it is just so adorable. Hey. I want to thank Pacific Dreamers so much for sending me their mosquito nets for the playpen and the baby bed. You guys, this has been such a lifesaver with it being summer and the mosquitoes and the bugs are out. I can literally put my baby in her playpen to nap and not worry about any mosquitoes getting on her. I don't know what it is about her blood, but the mosquitoes just love her. This is easy to assemble. As you can see, I just draped it right over the playpen and it fits really snug. There's also a little string on the bottom. If you need to tighten it, you can, so that it fits even better at the bottom. But yeah, you guys, I really love this. This has been such a lifesaver. You see, I just tighten it up right there. It also has zipper at the top, so it's easy access. So if you need to, I don't know, check on your baby, or you just want to open it up for any reason, you can open it up. It's easy access. You can get the baby without waking him up if you have to. And it also has ties so that it can tie and fit even snugger. It comes in this cute little zip-up bag, and it has care instructions and installation instructions. Also, it has little warnings. And I love that it also comes in a carry bag too, because you can take this outside, of course. So if you want to take it outside or anything, you just pack it on up, put it in the carry bag, and you're good to go. So thank you so much, Pacific Dreamer. I absolutely love this product. It has been such a lifesaver. Another thing that I like to do on Saturdays, guys, is go ahead and plan for the week. I like to make sure that all my doctor's notes and all my planning is written down for the week or for the month, whatever I'm doing. I update it frequently because, of course, I have doctor's appointments and school is going to be starting back soon, so I like to make sure that I have all my kids' doctor's appointments logged and everything. So that's just one thing I do on Saturdays, just take time out to make sure that my planner is updated the way that I need it to be. Another one of my Saturday favorites, of course, is more laundry. I like to make sure that I'm all caught up on the laundry for the week because we do go to church on Sundays. So making sure that laundry is caught up on Saturdays is definitely a plus. And after I get the laundry all started, I like to go ahead and clean up the kitchen from breakfast. And at this time, it's usually around lunchtime. The kitchen, so I can go ahead and get everything prepared so I can feed my girls their lunch. And of course, we go to church on Sundays, so I like to go ahead and get the girls their clothes ready early, so that way if they need anything special, I can go ahead and wash it ahead of time. So that is all for this video, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and tap that bell so that way you'll be notified every time I post up a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!